Oh, not the CV. Oh my God. All right, man. Let's get it together. Golly. Alrighty, guys. We have made it up to Harley. My boy needs some help with his bike, so we about to help him out, man. We about to get it together. Now, you got that Big Daddy trailer on there, man. Oh, not the CV. Oh my God. All right, man. Let's get it together. Golly. Not the CV. Oh, man. All right, let's do it. You want me to get on that side, man? It's good. You come on this side. I got you. Take a break, man. Ready? 1, 2.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, no worries. You need some help unloading it?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, because I can help you unload it if you want.
No, I'm good.
All right. Or you need help strapping it? Yeah, you good.
All right, appreciate it, bro.
You sure?
Nah, I'm finna drop it off, man.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can unload it for you real quick, man. You can take a break if you want.
No, I got it. Cool. I appreciate the help.
Nah, it's love, man.
Appreciate you, man.
For sure, no problem. Be easy, man. You can't be having that CVO on the ground like that, man. That's that new joint. What you getting done to it?
Long story, man.
Long story, but we got plenty of time, man. Catch your breath.
So,
got that daddy over
I joined this little group, right?
Nice.
So we're going on a little bike ride.
Nice.
To Louisiana.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay, so I go out, it won't start.
Battery dead.
Nah, I thought it was the battery.
Yeah.
It wasn't the battery. Well, I don't know if you know it or not. If you tip over like this.
Oh yeah, it's gone. It's you got to like reset it or something like that. Yeah.
It did that. The bike and the trailer straight. I rolled it out the trailer, so I started, and it did all that. Wouldn't start. So shit, I'm like, okay, it's the battery.
Right.
So I put the cables on still, no deal. So finally, I got it started.
Yeah.
It wouldn't roll.
It wouldn't roll.
Nah, you throttle.
What?
When you turn the throttle,
that's crazy how these new bikes got so much like different technology, bro. It's insane.
And it wouldn't go, so I YouTubed and everything how to reset it.
Right.
It wouldn't let me reset it.
Oh wow.
So I'm like, man, what the hell going on? So finally, man, Jackie with my club left me and everything.
Oh man.
I finally got this started, still wouldn't go. So I ended up jacking with it.
That's crazy.
Finally reset. Then after that, radio, nothing worked, man. So
oh my God.
5 hours.
With no radio.
No music.
That's crazy.
And the check engine light.
So what's so funny is I literally have that same problem right now on my ST. So the battery was tripping, turned it back on, radio wasn't working for like 2 days. I just charged the battery full again last night and it finally started working today. And then my check engine light came on too. It's the new bikes, man. I don't know what it is, bro.
Yeah, so that the whole ride was like that.
That's crazy. Well, it looked nice though, man. You got it looking good, man.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, it's looking good. I'm sure they'll get you right up in here real quick.
Yeah, I ain't tripping. I'll ride my other bike.
Right. Got you. But this the one you want though. This is the one you want to ride. This the Big Daddy, the new Big Daddy, yeah.
So I'm trying to have the power too. So,
I hear you, man.
So anyway,
I hear you.
I put it in here and rushed when I got back because I had to get ready for work.
Got you, yeah.
And I forgot I put the kickstand up, man.
Oh man. It be like that sometimes.
Yeah,
well, at least you didn't mess it up. It looked like it took on the crash bars.
Yeah.
So you didn't damage nothing.
It just hit the wall.
Oh yeah, you good. I don't see not a scratch on here.
Nah, it just hit the
I don't see not a scratch. Oh yeah, you won, man. Well, for sure, G, man. I'll let you go. It's all good, man. Be easy, man.
All right, thank you.
For sure. Yes, sir, man. As long as we can help out, man, that's what we're here for, man. We here to help you out, dog. My boy got that new CVO over there tipped over, man. I'm like, come on, man, let me get you right, man. Catch your breath, big dog. But from one CVO player to another one, man, you got that joint in there, man. So it's all good, man. A lot of people can't even drop CVOs, man. So for you to be able to drop that thing, you did it. Anywho, here we are, 2024 CVO ST Road Glide. Now this thing is a freaking beast from the Middle East. Now you guys know we got the carbon fiber on the fender up here. This thing is looking nice, looking good. Of course, we got the nice Brembo brakes, and these wheels, they kind of look and resemble like the Prodigy rims. However, they're the CVO ST rims, man. So not too fond of getting rid of these rims right away, but I am going to be looking for some nice wheels pretty soon. So here we have it here. We have the 121 high output engine. Now, of course, we got the Harley-Davidson Screaming Eagle on the side with the red eye. This is the anniversary edition, so really, really nice bike here. And got all the black and red accents, just looks so freaking good, man. Now, I'm gonna be adding some stuff to this motor just to brighten it up a little bit. Of course, we do got the black chrome exhaust on here. I'm not too fond of getting exhaust because we're gonna go turbo on this thing, man. You guys see this snout right here? None of this will be right here, man. We're gonna have a whole turbo system on this side, man. So, not really worried about exhaust and or extra performance upgrades right now. I just want to get the turbo, and then after that, we'll see what else we're gonna do. Of course, we got the Big Daddy new giant bags back here, Screaming Eagle on the exhaust. And this paint does have like a green like pearl in it. So really, really a nice color scheme. It's not just plain white. Now, typically, I would have left the bike alone, but being that it is white, it does look kind of plain to me. So what I was thinking here, I was actually gonna freaking outline this Eagle right here in like a blue pinstripe. I was thinking about maybe outlining it here on the gas tank. Don't know what I want to do to this Harley-Davidson logo right here. We might be able to get it blue. If not, it's all good. But these ST logos back here will be blue, so pretty sick there. I think that'll at least add some flavor and some character to the bike. Of course, we got the Big Daddy infotainment screen. Look like a dang iPad on this Road Glide, man. But all in all, we do have carbon fiber pieces. We got the 25th anniversary with the pilot seat on the back. So no, this Harley does not come with a rear seat, but you can also put one that does have that race style setup, which is really, really cool. You got 19 on the front, I believe. Yeah, you got 19s up front, 18 in the rear. These things are freaking nice, man. Of course, 25th anniversary with the Big Daddy. You see what's going on. Of course, we got 121 over there. Now, I don't know what this logo is. I have to do some research behind it, but it does look pretty sick, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the new bike in the comments below. We do have adjustable suspension on the back. Now, typically, you'd be messing with these, but I've never messed with them before. I don't even know what the feel is like. I probably got to mess with it, go ride it, and see what the real difference is. But I haven't felt the difference yet. But I don't know. We'll see. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below, man. It's up. And just like that, guys, we have made it back. Oh, dang! Almost fell. Almost made it back to the garage, man. We done made it back. First ride on this thing is a freaking beast. Bike is literally insane, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. I'm digging it. I can't wait. Now, it is a nice bike, but I'm not too excited just yet. Like, it's literally just another Harley, but it's not as fast as this Big Daddy yet, man. And you guys have the chance to win this one right now, man. We only got about 71 spots left to go, man. Head on over to that'sregular.com right now. Go get it in for a shot to win this Harley right now. I know you looking like, man, what's up with the wheels, man? It's gonna come with some wheels. So I actually took the wheels off to go get powder coated. We're about to change the bike up a little bit with the feet. But when it comes back, this thing will look even more complete, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. Head on over to the website to be entered. Meanwhile, man, we are waiting on some performance parts for this bike right here. So hopefully the next time we get a ride on this thing, it'll be turboed out the game and, you feel me, having all the oohs and ahs, man. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We are almost at 300,000 subscribers, man. So make sure you support the channel and help your boy out, man. We are almost there. I can't wait. Meanwhile, man, we do have our 2022 CVO Road Glide up for grabs right there with the built 143 on that joint. So if you guys want to shout out winning something great just for supporting your boy, man, now is the time. Head on over to that'sregular.com right now. Go get you anything on the website to be entered. Meanwhile, man, we do got our new bike, man. Took it for a ride for the first time today. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the first ride in the comments below. In the meantime, I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in. Till next time, it's a movie, man. Peace.